Got that figured out.
Yeah.
You on?
Yeah.
Now we're going to fix the TV today. We're going to fix it good. I got about 30 rounds of 223 I'm going to put into it.
How much are those around these days?
I think about 20 cents.
So I figure about 20, 25 cents.
You ready, Freddie?
I'm just going to zoom in on the TV here.
Wait.
I didn't get that on camera.
Good. Screwed up.
Hit the forward assist a couple times.
Yeah.
That was awesome. That's really smoking.
Yow. Probably ain't gonna work now. All done. Didn't take us long to fix it.
Good work, Doctor.
Okay.